I know you not tell me where you find me house in.
Mikey, is an interrogation this.
Where you know me there?
You talk to me and you stand up over there so like you think your job you there? Here, I don't have time for this, you know. Better me go play with my picnic.
Cara, come here.
You come to stress me. Wow.
Sit down. Please, no go talk.
More you remember of who you talk to. And then you look a slim thing this. And the fat one. A Cara this.
You know say that never necessary though.
Have a seat if you want to talk to me. I have somewhere to be. Now that's my boy. So tell me now, what do you want to know?
Where you there for the last 8 months? How to your daughter like? And how you just find a place so? After all of that, we don't hear from you, nothing at all, no contact. What happened?
Well, that's the important thing that you want to know. I don't really think that's important, but you chose somebody else over me. You know, I was in America. I wasn't hiding, even though it's a big place. But I'm here now, and probably we can work it out.
You still not answer my question, you know? You say you're there in America and you're not hide. Why your daughter never die here from you?
Let's just call it some unfortunate situation.
Cara, you in a trouble again?
Right? Always having the trouble.
But Cara, from it unfortunate, that means it's not good. Why you be so vague? Talk to me, no, man.
It was some relationship issue. You think we just like have a good day? Why we have to get into this now?
No one know what happened.
I I started seeing somebody else and it got abusive.
So how that affects you from keeping in touch with your daughter? That's my point, you know.
It wasn't just about that. So I got involved with this guy, and from the last time I spoke to you, he saw the conversations and stuff and decided that hey, you got to get rid of everything connected to your baby father. He's literally very jealous.
So Cara, who you tell me say? A man make you cut off your own daughter, your own flesh and blood. How that makes sense?
Mikey, I just thought that being with this person, that was a life. That was a life that I could have used to get my daughter back and to actually be financially stable. Because the guy him have money.
So you turn gold digger now. Hear what? You no need to put yourself in a them situation there. For she. Me I take care of her already. We accept anything at all we have to give. But you don't need to go so far. And then you're gonna use she as excuse for what you do.
Gold digger, Mikey? Mikey, you call me a gold digger? After everything we've been through, Mikey, you know the entire situation of far where I come from, school days, and you call me a gold digger, Mikey? You know what, Mikey? I'm gonna end the conversation right here. Let's do that. Because I see with what I've been going through for the last year, I don't think I need to tolerate any of this. I'm gonna need some space from you. Yes.
More than the space where you take already. There. Don't make we do this in front of this. Come here. Listen, more I say you go through a lot. But you have to remember, say you still have a family. And not because you go through all of that, you have to shut to yourself. Reach out.
I went this so much in the past 1 year now. Listen, they have a saying, say, prison a bed of rose. But you think prison a bed of rose? Foreign is prison. Illegal.
Something going on with you. What I need for now?
The only thing I go on right now, Mikey, is you just need it to be a baby father. Just give me a shoulder for me. Like my old time say, I need it for be an agent or a guardian angel or my father. Just be my baby father. Can you do that?